Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we've got Boxycharm to unbox, and I'm going to try on most everything in the box. I think maybe everything. So without further ado, let's dive in and see what we got in the April Boxycharm. The first thing I see on top is the Appeal Holographic Lip Gloss, which looks like this. I've never heard of this brand, or if I have, it's been a little while. This retails for $21. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this on since I've got those lovely like foundation lips. Let me give you guys another like up close look. It does have like a little holographic glitter in it. I don't really like when lip glosses you can like feel the glitter in them. You can feel this one just a little bit, but it's not bad. It kind of looks more just like a shine on the lips. When you look close, you can kind of see like a purpley kind of little shift in there. And it's really pretty in the tube. It looks a little bit more glittery. Next, I see the Ography Bali Bronze Eye Pencil. All right, that is the liner right here. So it is like a bronzy brown liner. I don't know if I'm going to use this or not. We will see. I'm gonna first try out some of the other products. The next thing I see is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. Here is the box. I really do like the packaging on these, little marbly look. This is the shade Purple Dream. Here's the actual component there. It looks almost like peachy in there, but it looks like it has a little shift. You can see definitely got a little messy. Let's swatch it. This is definitely an interesting color. It looks like it's shifting from like peachy champagne to purple. So I'm going to use that with the next product, which is the Luxe Summer Daze brush set. It looks like they have 3 brushes in here. I do like Luxe brushes a lot, so no complaints here. So this is the Small Contouring number 512. This is the first brush I see, so we're gonna just use this as our highlight brush. And by the way, I didn't show it before. It's Peace, Love, and Boxy is the theme, but it looks more like very festival vibes. So wow, that shows up very purple. And when you actually put it on, it looks like nothing like what's in the actual jar. So the lip and the highlight definitely kind of go together. It's a little purpley vibe. It's cute. Not my favorite, but it's cute. All right, and then probably, in my opinion, the best thing in here is the Pure Festival 12-piece Pressed Pigment Palette. Ooh. So let's open this up. I've tried Pure eyeshadows in the past, and it's kind of been hit or miss for me. I don't always love them, but typically they are pretty good. It also comes with this Get a Grip Endurance eyeshadow primer. I'll have to try that out. I did already prime my lids with just concealer, and we're gonna see how that goes. So here's the palette. You've got several neutrals and then definitely some pops of colors and glitters. Looks like these two are very like chunky glitter, which seems to be a theme right now. That's what a lot of palettes are looking like. Those are really pretty. So in the Luxe set, we also got the 209 large shader and the 245 small shader. The small shader to me feels like something more like a flat synthetic that I would use to apply shimmers with. It's very flat and it doesn't have a lot of give to it. So yeah, that's what I would probably use this one for. The bristles are actually pretty stiff. So let's go in with the large shader and just do some work. I'm not gonna go overly crazy with the eyes today. So I think I'm gonna first take the shade Epic right here. This is a great brush to like pack on the shadow with. So I'm gonna go in with my Morphe E23 to blend. I think I'm gonna take All Night, which is definitely one of the darkest shades in here. I'm gonna use the same shader brush, really tapping off all the excess, and I'm gonna work that into crease and corner. This palette's a little odd to me, if I'm being honest. So it looks like all really desert type vibes, and then you've got these like 2 really random bright ass colors. I don't know, those just kind of like pop in there and they don't really seem super cohesive with the palette. I don't know. I'm probably gonna get hate because I'm not like being uber positive. I will definitely use this palette, but it just seems a little weird. It's probably because like the festival vibe is not really something that I really care too much about. So it's probably just like me, personal opinion wise. I'm also working a little bit of the shade Sunset into the crease on the inside there, and then I'm gonna blend again. All right, I'm gonna try Free Spirit right here on this small shader brush and see how it does, just picking up the product and applying to the lid. Nah, not really good. Let's try it with the finger. It still looks a little chunky and not really doing it for me. So I'm going to grab that small shader and just use some Smashbox primer water. Okay, I'm gonna take some of that shade Sunset. It is a shimmer, but it is kind of very soft, and I'm just gonna blend that together there. So it looks cute. I don't think this is anything like super special. Sorry. I'm gonna take this little smudge brush. This is a Sephora collection one, and I'm gonna take that purple Gypsy and just try it out. Just because it's not my thing, like this color scheme doesn't mean it can't be cute. So I'm gonna just go for it and try some purple underneath. It's actually really pretty. I'm gonna clean that smudge brush off, and I'm lightly patting in just 1-2 with the shade Wild Child, that bright pink. I'm tapping off all the excess, and I'm gonna go right under the purple. I'm gonna darken up the outer corner just a little bit more. So not bad. I actually think it's kind of cute. So I'm gonna match the other eye and then we'll wrap up. All right, so I evened out my eyes. I also put on Urban Decay Perversion mascara, and then I put on a Wet n Wild lip pencil just to add a little bit of color. This one is the gel lip liner in Bear to Comment right here. So I'm just gonna throw on a bit more of the gloss. I think it's really cute over the lip liner, and you can see the little purple shift just a bit better. I'm gonna use a little bit of NYX glitter glue, and I'm going to try out one of these chunky glitters in the palette since we didn't get to that. And this one's the shade 24 Karat Magic. All right, so I think that's pretty cute. It's definitely got a little bit more of that desert festival vibe kind of going on. So first of all, let's go through. I actually do really like the palette. The layout is still a little bit odd, but if you're going for that kind of a theme, it makes sense. This goes for $36, and I did like the quality a lot. I went through the eyes really quickly, and yet everything looks nice and blended. They're pigmented. I actually really like the purple. Which normally I'm not a purple girl, but I really like that one. The lip gloss, I could take it or leave it. I don't think it's really anything super special. You see a little bit of that shift, but it does have that gritty glitter in it. So I don't know, it's not gonna be one of my favorites if I'm being honest. The Artist Couture powder, I actually really love these. I think they're great highlighters, they're beautiful, but it also isn't going to be a shade that I'm going to get a lot of use out of. So not the best thing to get, but if you're into those purple kind of colors, it's actually really gorgeous. And the Diamond Glow powder goes for $27. The Body Ography eye pencil goes for $14. Now, this is like the one item I just don't care about. It's not that pigmented or bold an eye pencil, so I could really just do without this altogether. The brushes I also really, really like. I always love Luxe brushes, though. I do think they make really good quality brushes, and this trio goes for $28. Not bad for 3 brushes. I really actually like this for highlight, and you could definitely contour as well. I like the large shader brush to kind of pack on the color. I think it worked well for that, especially into the crease. And then this little guy, the small shader brush, I actually like for applying shimmers. It worked well applying the glitter as well. So I will definitely get use out of these brushes. Very happy for these. So it's about $125 value. That's really good for $21. And I have to say, just for these 2 items, I definitely would have paid $21. So overall, really happy. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this little unboxing and try on. Let me know what you think below. Also, make sure to give me a thumbs up if you do enjoy these types of unboxings. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!